Hello everyone, welcome back to my Spin Joy project. This will be my second lesson. The second lesson I'm going to teach you how to configure the servo motor. So I have one servo motor and Arduino Uno board, Uno 3, and this is the motor shield. This is L293D board. So if you want to check my first video, please go back and look for my first video, first lesson, because the first lesson I configure the one motor to the DC motor. So now this video I'm going to configure the servo motor. Let's jump into the Arduino IDE. Okay, first of all I need to fix this. So as I told you, this in the Arduino board you can see 0 to upwards and number 0 to upwards. So use that number wise to connect the board, Arduino and the driver motor board. So this board only support drivers. So 4 DC motors, 2 servo motors. The DC motors are these, okay, and 2 of the servo motors and 2 of step motors. So we cover one DC motor and we're going to cover this lesson second servo motor. So servo motor going to connect to the servo 1. You can see in here, this is the servo 1. In this board you will see CR1, but when you program in the Arduino, we cannot use this. We need to find out the actual pin number. So if I'm correct, this pin number is 10, the first one. The second one is pin number 9. So we're going to configure as a pin number 10. So I'm going to connect the cables. So you can like that, and after that, to get a clear picture, remember these are all toys from my son's toy bin. So I collect and just assembling, so there's an endless learning process. You can find from any stuff and you can create your own thing. Now for this lesson I'm going to put some rubber bands and I'm going to put it here so I can just pin something. So yeah, this is enough, so we know it's can do something. Oops. Yeah, I mean, if we really, I'm planning to do a lot of projects, so like robotics project. For that we're going to do something very advanced, like take some cardboard, so whatever the stuff I can find from my house, and probably I will glue it or maybe screw it and we'll assemble a decent robots, different robots like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, everything. Okay, let's jump into the Arduino IDE now. Okay, we are in the Arduino IDE. You can see project Spin Joy. Well, value, if you get any confused which project, so I just put a Spin Joy project. So and the lesson 2, okay, because I'm going to have more different motorboards, so it's going to be confused because I have another video coming for same Adafruit board with version 2. That's a different chip. For that I'm also planning to create lessons videos. For this is version 1. L293D is a version 1. I'm going to show you now, because when you go to sketch, include library, normally Adafruit Motor Shield library. So this is the library we need to install. I installed in my first lesson, but I'm going to show you not sure if we install it will come again. Oh, sorry, I think yes, you can see in here Adafruit Motor Shield library version 1. So the version 1 is the one support L293D. Okay, make sure that version 2 is a different chip. I think TB66 or something like that. So make sure you install this library before you do anything else. Now let's jump to the code. First thing we need to do, so we connect, we need to connect the serial cable. I'm going to connect the serial cable. So computer detected. Now I'm going to use COM11. So once I connect my serial cable, I know which COM port is. So COM port 11. I mean, if you are confused that which COM port is, because I have 2, sometimes you have 5 or 6, maybe 10, because you have a lot of plug-in to your machine, that's going to be confused. So normally what you need to do is you just unplug. See, that's 11 is was missing, so that means we know that's the COM port is 11. So I'm going to put it back. Now we know is COM serial 1 and the board is Arduino UNO. That's the only things to select and select OK. Now first thing is I'm going to include what are we going to include? Actually, we're going to include the servo. Okay, servo.h. I'm going to include the servo, and I'm going to use servo. You can see that. Okay, servo, my servo. Actually, this is create a server object. Okay, and after that we're going to start the code void setup. Void setup. I'm going to and after that type my servo attach 10. I'm going to explain, give me a second. So make sure I attach the servo to pin 10. SERV1, so on. Like you can see, this is the one I was talking about. In the board say SER1, and this one is SER02 for name. So make sure it's pin 10 for my board. Just in case if it's not working, maybe you can change the pin numbers 9 to 10 like that. So okay, so next one I'm going to do is, actually that's the code done with that. So I'm going to do a loop now, so because we attach. Okay, so next one I'm going to do is void. I'm going to do the loop process. Okay, so my servo attach 10. Oops, I just typed the same thing again. Oh my goodness, my bad. Let me make sure a while loop. So while loop, so I'm going to use the while loop for t angle 0 angle, oops, not done yet. So okay, so I'm going to do 180 degrees angle is plus, actually plus. I'm going to put the code in the GitHub, so you have access to my code and you can modify and you can do your own thing. And after that I'm going to use for my servo right reduce angle. Yeah, so you can do anything you want, modify, play around. The only thing you need to do is subscribe to my channel and make me proud. Okay, so just this delay to control the speed. Smaller values make it slower. So this one you need to adjust just, and so you can, you know, play around and see what's does. So everything, that's your homework. I'm not going to do everything, I'm just giving you the footstep and you need to do your own stuff and learn. Everyone need to learn, right? So we done with this. Actually why I'm saying that I don't need that, right? So next is I'm going to say delay 1000 means 1 second. 1000 is 1 second. Okay, and use pause for second at the end. At the end, okay. 490 angle if okay, anti-angle 180 degrees angle. Oops. So what I need to do here is, and we did that, blah da da angle, I'm going to say 0. You know what, I should put a space. If I get a error message, I probably need to do something. Okay, so let me think. So we use, okay, angle 0. So next is when I say angle 0, I don't need to close the bracket because I need to do something more. Angle, I'm going to say 1. Now I can close this. I'm going to say my servo right, oops, right angle, okay, angle delay 15. What do you mean delay mean? So oops, adjust this delay to control the speed. Okay, smaller values make it slower. That's right, slower values make it slower. I really don't want to play with. That's my weakness, that when I type I get confused. Okay, so 1000 mean 1 second. Okay, remember that. So pause for a second at the end. So now I need to close the bracket. Hopefully I did this without any issues. Now everything looks good to me. Now I need to do some verify and see if this is going to work. I'm going to do a verify. Beautiful. I don't have any issues. So now 1 2 3, we're going to upload the code. Here you go. Okay, I have a sound, so that's mean the cable need to, yes. So remember that when you hear like a hum sound, that means the cable we plug incorrectly. So that means you just unplug this one, plug it back to a different side, and make sure, or you just follow the color code, because I didn't follow the color code, so that's why I got confused. So I know when the hum sound is coming, that means the cables are not properly connected. So let's jump into this one. You can see it's rotating. So it's going from 0 to 180 degrees. Okay. I didn't put in the serial monitor to check the serial monitor. I'm going to create another lesson. That third lesson, it's going to be advanced. That we're going to do like serious one. I'm going to already create the code. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it into my GitHub, and I'm going to show you how to use the serial monitor to see the voltage and the rotation device, everything in real time. We also did from Python. It's very cool. Probably I will do a different video for that. I'll show you how to do from Python. So this is Arduino. So you can see this is my second lesson, rotating the servo motor from the Arduino and the L293D shield, motor shield. So that was successful. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me any comments, what you want to know, what you like to see in videos. So I will do my best to create a video. And please share with your friends. And I will see you on my third lesson video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.